Ollama is a tool that lets users run AI models locally on their own computer for private and offline AI usage. Ollama is an open source tool that allows you to run powerful large language models completely locally on your own computer. It simplifies setting up OpenWeight's AI, enabling you to launch models like Llama 3 or Mistral offline with simple terminal commands. By keeping data on your hardware, it ensures total privacy, eliminates subscription fees, and integrates seamlessly with developer workflows. You can get started completely for free with the free plan at 0, or upgrade to the Pro tier to solve harder tasks for 20 Namo or 200 Leshwiar when billed annually. For your most demanding work, the Max plan is available for $100 Namo to let you run up to 10 cloud models at a time. Reddit users say Ollama is a platform for running AI models locally, not an AI itself, and even small models like Qwen2b work decently for simple tasks on older laptops. Overall, it's best for local AI use based on your hardware power. Overall, it's worth using for developers and privacy-focused users, but it requires decent hardware for the best experience. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.